Yeah, we're out in Lithgow.
Lithgow, yeah.
Blackfellas Hand Trail. We're going to go up to the cave, have a look, get the kids out for a walk. Climb the mountain.
Yeah. Climb mountain.
So we've come along Blackfellas Hand Trail and now we've turned off onto medium 1, unnamed. I still haven't aired down, so if it gets too rough we might air down, but we'll see how we go. Lucky the phone's waterproof.
I
think it got most of it.
I just sunk right to the bottom there. Actually,
yeah.
You can see where the tyre went.
Deep somewhere there.
That's deep.
Oh, no, I'd say you can't do the deep ones now.
Well, best of luck, my friend.
I got to hook this snorkel back up. I haven't done it since I had the issue with the shit filter and... Yeah, he's got no trouble because of those shocks. Bit of a view. I don't trust my handbrake or my selector cable, so
Trust my handbrake either.
when you're pointing down a cliff. Are you in mode 2?
My first gear, yeah.
But the traction control?
My traction control doesn't work at all.
Oh!
Yeah, so I'm